Hi and welcome back to the Cheeky Crypto Podcast. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, we're going to have a look at XRP. I think that XRP will have a second bounce to the upside. I am expecting, some big things for XRP. And then we're going to dig into some of the wallet analysis and stuff. Nick's got some fantastic data on a website, 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗪𝗀𝗪.io, so go check out the membership there if that is of interest. But we're going to dig into a lot surrounding XRP in today's video. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tap in that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Right, let's get down to the desktop. Okay, so we're going to start here on coin market cap. The total market cap of all crypto is at $1.22 trillion, down 0.13% at the time of recording. Bitcoin is at 30,302.52. Last 7 days, it's down 0.11%. Now, we're really here to talk about XRP. XRP currently up 2.69% in the last 24 hours at 74 cent 87. Again, a lot of people are talking about XRP, in the realms of being disappointed with the price movement so far. And a lot of people, I think, are just, reacting too quickly to the news. I think that people have got to digest this news. I think exchanges needed to relist the asset. And I think that there's a lot of negativity still around the result and talks about the fact that it's only a partial win and so on. That's kind of meaning that the price is going to lag a little bit. And that's kind of why in yesterday's podcast, I said I am expecting a secondary bounce to the upside. And I'm very much still aligned to that. So, if you feel like you've missed out on like the 80 cent mark and stuff like that, then, don't feel too disappointed. If we dig into some of the latest news, we've got Ripple, can't get my words out. CEO claims SEC case may take years to appeal XRP. And this is the stuff that I really want to sort of touch on. It would take many, many years for an appeal to go through. And I think the judge has been very clever in the way that they've gone about doing this. It makes it very difficult to challenge her, her decision. So, look, I think that, an appeal is on the cards, but, I'd be surprised to see one be successful. And I think that's kind of going to be the noise that you start to hear over the coming weeks and months. I think that, listings of XRP on the secondary market are all going to be active. And I think that, it's going to be really, really interesting, as to what happens next. We've also got, senators talking about, getting clear regulations for crypto after the XRP ruling. The outcome of the case could establish a precedent that shapes the regulatory landscape for digital assets within the United States. And I think that, if we go back a few podcasts, I have been talking about the fact that I am expecting the US to do a big U-turn. Could it actually be that I've got my thoughts around it a little bit misaligned to what's actually going to happen here, in the respect that I was very much like the Bitcoin ETF is going to be what pushes a US U-turn on crypto. But actually, it could just be the result of this XRP lawsuit that does that for us, or even a combination of the two. I've been talking about expecting the US to do a U-turn for some time, and I really do, if I can bloody talk today, I really do believe what I say when I expect a U-turn from the US. I don't think that they're going to be harboring innovation if they don't do this U-turn, and I think that it's going to be hitting their bottom line, and for that reason I do expect that U-turn to happen. And I think seeing stuff like this is going to be stuff that we continue to see over the coming days and weeks. We've got XRP whales in the spotlight as cryptocurrency price soars. Data analyst provider Look On Chain has revealed trends in buying and selling habits of 4 significant XRP holders. And basically what's being articulated here is that, you know, they don't look like they're going to be offloading anytime soon. And I think this is a real positive, and it also aligns to my thoughts and opinions on, you know, what I'm talking about when I say I expect further upside for XRP and a secondary bounce. I think that we will see some of these whales start to sell XRP, but I don't think that that's going to happen before we exceed $1. It's just my thoughts, my opinions. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this in the comments below. It's really interesting stuff, but you know, we have our own insights into wallet counts and stuff on our website, and you can see here wallets over 10,000 XRP, the percentage change in a positive direction in the last 365 days is 34.37% increase in the number of wallets with over 10,000 XRP in them. If we go look at the 100,000, you know, in the last 1 year, we've seen an increase in 24.2% of these wallet sizes. So I think that these things are really important to be aware of. I think we're seeing increased numbers of whales being generated within the XRP wallet counts, and everybody's buying is kind of the point. If you look at all the different wallet levels on 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏𝗀𝗏𝑖O, you will see that everybody is buying at every wallet level. Don't get me wrong, somebody's selling, but the wallets are all increasing. I think this is really interesting data to be looking at. It's very different to what we see with Ethereum. We're seeing Ethereum whales dumping their Ethereum. We're seeing Bitcoin whales do something similar, but we're seeing the polar opposite when it comes to XRP. And I think that brings strength into the ecosystem. You're seeing a lot of negative comments from prominent people on social media that really don't align to the outcome that's happened here for XRP. Maybe they're just maxis for some other coin, maybe Bitcoin or something like that. I don't know. But I think the stats, they talk for themselves, and I think that if you're really going to follow the on-chain data, you will see that XRP and Ripple are in a very strong position. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.